In this video, I will explain how you can expand the cell to fit the text in Google Sheet. So here you can see that column E, the text is clipped, right? One way you can make the text visible is by selecting that column and then going here and then selecting this wrap option. But you can see that this cell is not expanding. So other way to do this is that you have to go here, okay, just to the end of that column and then double click over there once you see these arrows. So you can see that this column is expanded after you double click on this one. That's it. Thanks for watching.